Most marketing skills that worked 5 years ago won't make you successful in 2026 because AI is changing everything: content creation, SEO, advertising, social media, even how people search online. And here is the scary part: thousands of marketers are learning outdated skills right now, while smart marketers are positioning themselves for the next decade. So, in this video, I'll show you the three marketing skills that will become insanely valuable in 2026. If you are master even one of them, you could completely change your career, business or income. Here is the most people still believe: if I learn Canva, run some ads or most post daily on Instagram, I'll become successful. Not anymore. Because AI can now generate the content, create designs, write captions, build landing pages, automate campaigns. Basic execution is becoming automated, which means businesses are no longer paying premium money for simple tasks. They are paying for strategy, psychology, distribution, authority, trust, problem solving. The marketers who survive in 2026 won't be content creators, they'll be the growth builders. Skill 1: Personal branding. The first skill that will make people enrich 2026 in personal branding, because attention is the new currency, and in a world flooded with AI generated content, people trust people more than companies. That's why founder led branded are exploding right now. Think about it. Why do someone marketers get clients easily while others struggling even with better technical skills? Because people buy trust before they buy services, and trust is built through visibility. Personal branding means becoming known for something online. When people repeatedly see your insights, experiences, opinions, case studies, content, you become the obvious choice in 2026. The biggest opportunity is not just running ads, it's becoming the brand. If you want to build a personal brand, post educational content consistently, share real experiences, document your journey, talk about failure and lessons, create video content, build authority in one niche, and most importantly, stop trying to look perfect online. Authenticity is outperforming polished content. Skill 2: AI powered content strategy. The second skill is understanding how to use AI strategically. Notice I said strategically because simply using ChatGPT is not a skill anymore. Everyone has access to AI tools now. The real value comes from knowing what content to create, how to position it, how to make it feel human, how to optimize it for attention and conversions. This is where most marketers fails. Most AI content sounds robotic: generic hooks, generic captions, generic blog posts, and audiences are getting tired of it. The smart marketers in 2026 will use AI differently. They will use for research, ideation, scripting, repurposing, SEO optimization, workflow automation, but they added human experience on top. This is why Google's EAT framework matters more than ever. Experience, expertise, authority, trust. AI can generate information, but it cannot replace your real world experience. That's why case studies, opinions, stories, and results will dominate future marketing. Anyone can ask AI, write me a marketing post, but very few people can say, here is how we generate 200 leads for a client in 30 days. That's the difference between content and authority. Skill 3: Distribution and attention marketing. The third skill is the most understand skill in marketing today: distribution. Because creating content is easy now, getting attention is hard. In 2026, the marketers who win will understand how to distribute content across platform effectively. Think about this. You can create the best content in the world, but if nobody sees it, it has zero value. That's why distribution is becoming more important than creation itself. Smart marketers know how to repurpose content, optimize hooks, understand algorithms, create platform specific content, use short term videos, build communities, leverage SEO, use email marketing, combine organic plus paid strategic. They don't rely on one platform, they build attention ecosystems. And attention is becoming the most valuable business asset because businesses with attention can sell product, generate leads, build communities, launch brands, dominate industries. That's why creators are becoming entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs are becoming creators. So, if I was starting from zero in 2026, here is exactly what I would focus on. First, build a personal brand. Second, learn how to combine AI with authentic marketing. Third, master distribution and attention because these three skills together are incredibly powerful. And the best part, you don't need a degree, you don't need expensive equipment, you don't need a big team. You just need consistency, curiosity, and execution. The future of marketing belongs to people who can build trust, use AI intelligently, and capture attention. And the people learning these skills today will dominate the next decade. If this video helps you, comment below 2026 ready and subscribe for more videos on AI and marketing, SEO, personal branding, business growth, and future digital marketing strategy. We'll see you on next video.